to investing, everything feels confusing? You've heard of ETFs, but no one explained them clearly? Let's fix that fast. Welcome to Brain Over Budget, the place where investing finally makes sense. Choosing stocks is hard. Buying individual stocks can be confusing. There are thousands of companies. Which one do you choose? What if you didn't have to choose just one company? What if you can invest in all the companies in the same time, from a specific country, a specific sector, or even the whole world? An ETF is like a basket that holds many investments. Inside the basket are many different companies. When you buy one ETF, you buy a small piece of all those companies at the same time. An ETF is usually less volatile than a single stock. When one company struggles, others in the ETF can help balance the impact. That said, ETFs do not guarantee profits. In investing, nothing is guaranteed, which is why it's important to do your own research before committing your money. That's why beginners like ETFs. They are simple, less stressful, and give you exposure to multiple companies and sectors in the same time. This is Brain Over Budget. Like and subscribe for more.